is true.
Bobby on 3, 4 legs, 5, 6 legs, 7, yeah, 8 legs, 9, and swing it right here, wrong, right, yeah, inches off the line, 3 feet off the line, keeping it long and strong, sit up and go, get it back off that side, jump, sort it right back into it, heel, back, heel, back, yeah! Yeah! Here's the water! Blue! No! 2 hold! 1, 2, hold! Hold! Hit it! 2, 4, go! Hold! Go! Big legs, Charlie, you got it! You fucking got it, guys! You got it! Oh! Go side! Ready! Go! Alright, ready, go! Set! You got it! Picking up the line right here! Right, straight, right, straight! No! That's it, boys! We didn't even touch that fucking buoy! And now we got a straight down that straight! Take 10 to push it off! 1, push it away! 2, here it is! 3, let's talk, yeah, alright, now we're going! Try it out, this is you! 1, up 2 and 2, 1, go! 2, up! Get up! No back! Get up! Get up! Right, yeah! Jump, swing! Right, swing! Left 2, there's 1, 2, paddle! Paddle! Nice job, guys.
Do it.
Bring it. What? On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Dance floor pro, I know, you know, I go psycho when my new joint hit. Just can't sit, gotta get jiggy with it. That's it, now honey, come ride. DKNY, all up in my eye. You got a Prada bag with a lot of stuff in it. Give it to your friend, let's spin. Everybody looking at me, glancing at the kid. Wishing they was dancing the jig here with this handsome kid. Sick a cigar right from Cuba. I just bite it, it's for the look, I don't like